this video, we're going to do a real quick demonstration of a new feature for date formatting. So in this chart, I have the vertical timed bar, and each bar represents a month, as you can see by the label clearly. However, this is the default labeling, and it's possible you may want to label that something and make it look different than what it is by default. In the new 2.0 version, we have a new feature that allows you to do that. So let me go into the style menu real quickly. And in fact, this option is going to give you a lot of flexibility. So we're going to go into the data labels. We're going to scroll down. We have data values. And then here we have override the default label format of your own using the D3 time format. So what you'll need to do is there is a link here. You can link out to that documentation to see how you can format dates and things like that to your specific specifications. But let's just copy and paste this first one at the top of that. We'll go back into our chart and we're just going to enter our format, so we'll paste it. So you can start to see right away that everything here changed. You also notice that even the quotation marks came in this. So let's go ahead and remove the quotation marks. And you can see at this point we have a day, which we probably don't need. So I can go back in here and I'll just delete that. And now I don't have a comma either, so maybe I want to put the comma back in. So now I have month and year, which is what I want. But I don't particularly want the full month because that makes it pretty long. So let's go ahead, and I know the formatting here. If I just change the B to a lowercase b, I get just the 3-month abbreviation. It's possible I could remove the whole year and just have the month, but I actually do want the year. But I don't like the way that looks, so I'm going to put a space. And actually the way I like to do this is I like to put parentheses, and then I'll do the year inside of the parentheses. I could do that. I don't necessarily need to put 2025 here, and I like keeping things abbreviated here. So we'll just do that. So you can see how powerful this becomes if you go in here and look at all the different types of formatting options you have, and depending on the needs you have in your report, you can start setting up things just the way you like it. Maybe we do something like this. You can start to do the formatting that best suits your needs and styles. So hope you appreciate this new flexibility for your charts.